Dear students, today we will start chapter number 13, data representation. First is the definition of digit. In digital system like computer, the quantity are represented by the symbol known as digit. Many number systems are used in the digital technology, especially in computer. The most common are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. First is the binary number system. Then is the octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and decimal number system. The first we start about the decimal number system. In daily life in math we use the decimal number system. This number system is composed of 10 digits. That is the deca. Deca means the 10. The 10 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of digits are 10. The decimal number system is also known as the base of 10 system, or we can say that the base of decimal number system is 10. 10 means the deca. Consider a number 2512.1971, base 10. Base 10 means it is the decimal number system. We can represent it in a figure 2512 decimal point 1971. The decimal point is the middle point of the number. 1 is the multiply by the 10 raised to power minus 1, then 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 3, and 10 raised to power minus 4. From this side we multiply digit with the 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 0. From this side 10 raised to power minus 1, and from this side start from the 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3. This digit is the MSD, most significant digit, and this is the LSD, least significant digit. These are the positional values 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are the positional value in a decimal number system. Second is the binary number system. In binary number system there are only two symbols or possible digit, that is 0 and 1, only 0 and 1. Consider a number in binary number system 1010.101 base 2. Its mean base 2 means it is a binary number system. Represent 1010. Middle point is the decimal point. In case of decimal number system we say the decimal point. In case of binary number system we say the binary point 0101. This is also called the MSB, most significant bit, least significant bit. These are the position value 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0, why we consider 2? Because 2 is the base. In decimal number system we consider 10 because 10 is the base. 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3. And this is the 2 raised to power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Then is the topic number conversion. Number conversion in digital system, 3 or 4 of discussed number system may be used at the same time. So we require the ability to convert one number system into another number system. As you know, we use the decimal number system, and computer system is based on the machine language that contains 0 and 1, that is the binary number system. 0 off, 1 on, 1 true, 0 false. Decimal to binary number conversion. In this method the number is divided by 2 and its remainder record the final binary result is to obtain the assembling of all the remainders, with last remainder being the most significant digit. For example, We have the 43 base 10. I want to convert it into binary. 43 is the base 10, means it is the decimal number system. 43 divided by 2. 21 dash 1. 1 is the remainder. 2, 10 remainder 1. 2, 5 remainder 0. 2, 2, 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 1 is 2. Remainder 0. 1, it cannot be divided by 0, so here is 0 and this is the 1. MSB नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ, from the downward to upward, 1 0 1 0 1 1 2. Consider another example. 200 200 0, 250 0, 225 0, 212 1, 260 230 211 201. MSB is the last digit, LSB is the first digit. So collect from bottom to upward. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 2. Again 43 is divided by 2. 21 2 ja 42, remainder 1. 10 multiplied by 2 20, 21 minus 21, 5 multiplied by 2 10, 10 minus 10 0, 2 multiplied by 2 4, 5 minus 4 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 2 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2, it is remainder 1. This digit is called the MSB and this digit is called the LSB, most significant bit and least significant bit. Collection of bits from downward to upward, MSB to LSB, 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is the conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. So we can take any number and start dividing and collect the remainder. Next is the octal number system. Octal number system. In octal number system, it has a base of 8. It has 8 unique number, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Maximum number is the 7. Consider a number 3721.2406 base 8. Again 3721, this is the, in case of decimal is the decimal point, in case of binary is the binary point, and this is the octal number system, so it is the octal point. Same 8, base is the 8, so we multiply this with the 8 raised to power minus 1, 8 raised to power minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, and starting from the 0, from this side 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the again positional value. This is the MSB, this is the LSB, and last is the hexadecimal number system. This number system uses the base 16. It has 16 possible values starting from 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We represent 10 as A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then 15 as a F. Representation of hexadecimal system is same. 16 raised to power 0, 16 raised to power 1, 16 raised to power 2, 16 raised to power 3. And this is the point known as the hexadecimal point. In case of decimal, it is the decimal point, binary point, octal point, and in hexadecimal, it is known as the hexadecimal point. And same 16 minus 1, 16 minus 2, 16 minus 3 and 16 minus 4. Rest of conversion we will discuss later.